right, you guys, here we are on Tuesday, April 14th. This will be a super quick video today. I don't have a whole lot to go over with you. I think most of your work today should be pretty self-explanatory. I did want to start with just a quick reminder, not that I'm noticing you guys not doing this so much, but do make sure that every time you are getting started on your work that you begin by very carefully reading the instructions or directions that are provided for you. I have noticed a couple of mistakes being made in terms of your responses on those assignments just because you maybe missed a part of the instructions. The other thing is that I will occasionally get emails asking about assignments and what you are exactly supposed to do when the instructions are contained within the assignment for you. So I won't be upset if I have to answer those questions, but I just wanted to let you know or remind you to go ahead and please start by reading the instructions carefully. Maybe watch this video, review your work, the instructions for all of it, and then kind of determine if you still have questions for me. Okay, now for today's work, we've got just a couple of things. The first thing is just a quick grammar and writing practice activity. It's posted in Google Classroom as a Google slide, but when you open it up, it'll look a little bit more like a Word doc kind of. So you are going to type your answers directly onto those slides, and I want you, it's kind of funny, it's in reverse order because the assignment is called a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 kind of warm-up, if you will. So it looks kind of funny, and it's funny to write it this way, but I want you to do numbers 5, 4, 3, and 2. You do not have to do number 1. You could do it if you wanted to for fun, but it's a question that I believe we've answered before together in class, so I'm not looking for you to respond to that one again unless you feel like it, okay? And then once you're done with that, hopefully you had a chance to read through Act 1, Scenes 1 and 2 from Romeo and Juliet yesterday. Today I would like you to review that, and then you'll see there is a document there for you to answer a few questions that go along with those scenes. I am looking for your answers to be thorough and thoughtful. That does not mean that you have to write an entire essay for each question, for each response, but your answers should be more than a sentence or two. Okay, you need to show me your evidence, you need to talk about your reasoning, you need to think kind of critically about the text and maybe not just go with the most obvious answer, all right? I think the instructions in there are pretty well laid out for you, so read through those first before you get started reading. That assignment will be due tomorrow, Wednesday, at midnight. Okay, so you've got today, and I also saved a good chunk of time tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll see, if you look at the agenda, that there is not a new kind of major assignment for that day. It's really meant for you to go back and proofread and revise, because I am looking to make sure and to see that you have taken the time to edit your work so that you have as few spelling errors and grammar errors as possible, okay? So that's kind of the big assignment that we're going to tackle for the next couple of days. All right, that's it, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you back here tomorrow.